When you hear the word science, you might picture someone in a white coat pouring glowing liquids into test tubes. But in astronomy, things are a little different. We can't put a dying star into a test tube or order a fresh comet from a supply catalog. For astronomers, our laboratory is the entire universe itself. Today, we're looking at the nature of science, which is not just a bunch of facts in a textbook, but a method. The ultimate detective story. Science is a progress report. It starts with simple observations. For example, ancient people looked up and noticed the stars moved. They built a model where Earth was the center of everything. It seemed to make sense at the time. But as centuries passed, our instruments got better. The old model couldn't explain new observations. So, instead of clinging to the old idea, the scientific method did what it does best. It updated the model. We placed the sun at the center, and suddenly the math fit beautifully. When scientists try to explain something new, they propose a hypothesis. You might think we already know everything important, but astronomy is full of wild, controversial hypotheses right now. Did a giant rock from space bring the ingredients for life to Earth? What exactly is the invisible, dark energy that makes up most of the universe? A hypothesis isn't a guess, it's an idea that must be testable. Because astronomers are dealing with light that has traveled for billions of years, astronomy is a historical science. We are basically cosmic detectives arriving at the crime scene billions of years after the crime took place. We gather the evidence, starlight, cosmic dust, radiation, and try to reconstruct the story. And the best part? Science is self-correcting. Scientists spend their entire careers trying to prove each other wrong. That intense peer review is why we've made so much progress. An undergraduate student today actually knows more about the math of the universe than Isaac Newton did. In our next video, we'll talk about the strict laws of nature that allow us to understand stars we will never even visit. Subscribe so you don't miss it.